Whoa! You found me. I'm a Hoopoe. And yes, this crazy crown is really mine. Pretty cool, huh? Want to know my secret? My crest isn't just for looking fabulous. When I'm excited, surprised, or showing off, fluff! Up it goes.
Enough showing off. Time for the important stuff. Lunch. I use my long beak to probe the ground and find insects hiding underneath. So remember, where you see a Hoopoe, adventure might be hiding right under your feet.